Hi, I'm Nick. I'm the customer support team lead here at Portainer. So I'm no developer, but what I've been wanting to do is create an application that I can use to track my day-to-day tasks and everything that I do here at Portainer. So what I've done is I've vibe coded a bit of a tool using Claude. Now, what I want to do is just simply deploy this to our company's infrastructure, and I can do that by using Portainer-Run. So what I need to do here is actually grab our API key that I've been given, and this will allow me to deploy my app to our company's infrastructure. So I'm going to hit connect here, and this should take me to the dashboard. Awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a vibe deploy because that's essentially what I've done with Claude, and it's asking me to upload the files. So I've downloaded the files from Claude that it gave me, and I'm just going to drag and drop it here. And we can see that it's grabbed the files from the zip file that I've just dropped in, and it's also detected the runtime. So I'm assuming if I hit next, it's detected the runtime as Node.js, so I don't need to do anything here. If I had to set something, I probably wouldn't know what to set. And it's gone step 3, deploy. So I can give it a name. I actually like the daily disk, that's fine. I can see that the deployment target is Kubernetes. That's cool as long as I'm deploying my app, that's all I care about. And we've got expose as, so network accessible, which is what I want to do. I want to be able to access this, so I don't need to change anything there. And on the next page, I don't need to change any of the GitOps target side of things, so I'm just going to hit deploy. And that should send that off, and then I should be able to connect to it, fingers crossed. So I'm going to hit refresh here. And there we go. So we can see that it says it's starting up. That's a good sign. So I'm just going to give it another bit of a refresh, wait for that pod to start up. Great, so it says it's running. And I've got my exposed IP address and port here, so I'm going to click that. Hopefully I get my application. And I do. Great, so here's my little vibe coded tool that I made, and I've just deployed it to our infrastructure without touching any of it. So I could be like, check tickets. This is just like my little tool that I made. I can add it, there we go. So that's my little vibe coded tool. And coming back to Portainer-Run, if I want to make changes to it, I know that I can come into the daily disk, which is the tool that I've just deployed. I can click edit, and I can just upload any updated files that I've got. So I don't need to touch any of our infrastructure. I can just manage it all through here. And that makes my life, especially as a non-developer, a lot easier using Portainer-Run. So yeah, that's it.